How to view your credit report in the ClearScore Australia app. Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to view your credit report using the ClearScore Australia app. It's a simple process that helps you stay informed about your credit health. First, open the ClearScore app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Sign on the home screen, tap the area showing your credit score, and this will take you to your detailed credit report where more information is available. Now you can see your full credit report, including your score history, credit accounts, repayment history, and any recent credit increase. For a closer look, tap on specific sections like accounts or searches. These give you in-depth insights into each aspect of your credit profile. If it's been a while since your last update, you can refresh your report. ClearScore usually provides updated reports monthly, so check back regularly.